The Everyday Gratitude Journal for Kids is now available on Amazon.
When I think about it, I'm grateful for my bed, my home, for food, for clothes, for my best friend, for tomorrows, for the word yes and the word no, for all the things I can control and for the things I can let go. I'm grateful for my challenges, 'cause my challenges help me grow. They push me out of my comfort zone. They make me learn things that I need to know. They teach me patience and persistence, so my challenges help me grow.
The Everyday Gratitude Journal for Kids teaches children how to shift their focus from what they lack to what they have. When we learn to be grateful for the good moments in life, as well as our challenges, we begin to see ourselves growing stronger, more capable, and more joyful. This journal guides young readers in appreciating all of life's experiences, helping them take meaningful steps toward becoming their best selves. Available in paperback and hardcover editions on Amazon and as an ebook on Patreon, this journal is designed to help children find gratitude in everyday moments.